Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to find Word? First confirm it's installed. Use Spotlight, press Command and space, type Word and watch the top result. This is fast when Word is present. If Spotlight finds nothing, open Finder and go straight to the Applications folder, then scan for a Microsoft Office or Word app. Once you locate it, note where it lives Applications or a subfolder, so you know whether to launch, pin, or reinstall if it's missing. Now dig deeper using Finder and Launchpad. In Finder, type Word in the search field and make sure the scope is this Mac. This finds copies outside /applications. Open Launchpad for an icon-driven view. Type Word at the top to filter quickly. Also inspect the /applications /Microsoft Office subfolder and any user-specific applications folders, because Office sometimes installs into a Microsoft-branded directory. Once you spot Word, double-click to open it and verify the version from the App menu. So finally, open Word and sign in if the app requests activation. This connects it to your Microsoft 365 license. Once it opens, right-click the dock icon, choose Options and keep in dock, so you can access Word instantly next time. Create an alias on the desktop if you prefer a file shortcut. If Word doesn't launch, make sure your Mac OS version meets Office requirements. Try reinstalling Office from your Microsoft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.